What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to do some sum functions, how we can add things quickly and easily. Let's say we have different days of the week and we want to see how many sales we had, for example. So let's say we do this. Day sales. Okay. We want to count how many we have here, but we don't know how to necessarily do it in the most efficient way. The first thing we can do, let's try this. We go equals, we click this cell, plus there, plus there, plus there, plus there, plus there. And we do that all the way through. Then we close it up, hit enter, and there you are, 36. Okay. And let's say this changes to 7. It updates. Fantastic. But maybe we want something to where we can add Sunday. Let's say we had 30 here. It didn't add it. Why is that? Because we didn't select it by itself. So we're going to use this feature right here called sum. And what sum does, it just gives you the total of everything in a range. So you go equals sum, that's it. You can either double click right here or you can hit tab, doesn't matter. You highlight the area that you want to add up. So let's say we do this entire thing. All you have to do is drag it, then you close those parentheses, hit enter, and there it is, 67. Let's say this changes. Maybe, we had to do a true up of the numbers and it turned out we sold 7. There you go. They update. And then, whoops, you went through here. Turns out someone put those in the wrong date. It was actually Monday the next day, so the next week. I want 10, okay? There you go. That'll update. Sum is just, well, you can either do it this way and add it, and it works effectively either way. Doesn't matter which one you want to choose. I would just suggest you use sum, because that way, all you do is hit sum, tab, select what you want. Anything you update, it's fixed. You have to worry a lot less about formulas breaking, changing. It doesn't even matter. Also, maybe you just had returns on this day. Use sum, minus. There you go. If you just add them by themselves, you're going to have a problem here. If you use the sum formula, you can factor in negative numbers. So that would be the, and also it's going to look over anything here. Like this is a non-numeric value. It needs numerics here. Sum doesn't. So it buys you a little wiggle room too. Your formulas aren't going to break. It's a lot easier, and ultimately it's going to save you a bunch of time. That's it for this one. If you've enjoyed it, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, share it with whoever you think might use it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.